Meteorologist Chris Haddings here once again. Looks like a nice weekend, so no problems tomorrow, but it looks like more snow coming in now. Those of you that are old enough to remember the movie Animal House, when they're getting initiated into the fraternity with Nita Meyer and Kevin Bacon, when they have the paddle. Thank you, sir, may I have another? That's just with my hand, not the paddle, though. It looks like a lot of people are going to be feeling like that as we head toward Sunday night and into Monday, as more snow looks likely on the way. Have issued some winter storm watches here across the Bighorns. Now, no highlights for anybody yet as of this briefing on Saturday afternoon, but I do anticipate these will be filled in with at least advisories by the time you wake up on Sunday morning. So as we look at the impacts, we'll be mainly dry through Sunday, maybe a few flurries in the Bighorns, but all the lower elevations, you want to do something tomorrow, it looks fine for that. Now, because the cold front drops south, snow will break out Sunday night and Monday, spreading north to south across the area, especially east of the Continental Divide. Now, the heaviest snow will be in the higher elevations. Bighorns look to be the hardest hit area from this. In the lower elevations, probably Johnson County, could see a decent amount of snow there. And road conditions, especially in northern Wyoming, I think I-25 could get kind of rough. Northern Bighorn Basin could be some bad road conditions when you wake up on Monday. But as we head through the day, road conditions should improve. Probably saw that with the last system, even if the snow was heavy during the day, had a hard time sticking on the roads, and I think that will probably be the case unless it's really, really heavy during the daylight hours on Monday. And one more thing, the total accumulation, much like the last event, will not be what you measure on your lawn. Some of that will melt on contact with that strong sun. So we look at the start times now. Again, north to south, evening hours in the northern Bighorn Basin as well as around Johnson County. After midnight, as we head toward the southern Bighorn Basin, Worland, Thermopolis, also down toward Thames Sleep. Very late at night for places like Casper, Riverton, and Lander. And probably wait until after sunrise for those of you west of the Divide. Now, we're heading towards some probabilistic stuff, just to give you a range of what might happen. Now, expect at least this much across your area. You can see probably at least an inch or two across the Wind River Basin, 2 to 3 inches across Johnson County, around an inch around Natrona County, and anywhere from the lessest amounts, probably up around Grable, might not get anything, and less than an inch across areas like Farson, as well as Pinedale. Now, the likely worst case scenario, if you don't like snow, best case scenario if you like snow, you can see highest amount over here at Buffalo, maybe up to 9 inches there, maybe 6 around Lander, 4 to 6 inches across the Wind River Basin, anywhere from 2 to 5 across the Bighorn Basin, around 4 inches around Natrona County, and west of the Divide, anywhere from about 1 to 3 inches in this crescent here. Now, the most likely scenario, what we think the official forecast is right now, here's our official forecast. Highest amounts, Bighorns, maybe locally over a foot there, about 4 to 6 inches around Johnson County as well as Lander. Anywhere from about 3 to 4 inches, anywhere from Cody, Thermopolis, down through Riverton, and over toward the Casper area. Now, the least amounts, east of the Divide, probably up here around Grable, with the wind direction coming this way, they tend to downslope, so not a lot there. And west of the Divide, we're looking anywhere from about a coating to 2 inches, depending on where those snow bands set up. Here's our usual resources, weather.gov/RIW. You want road conditions, these are the places to go. Don't call us for that. On the web, wildroad.info. In-state, you want to call them on the phone, 511. Out of state, 1-888 Wild Road. And finally, you want webcams by route, go to our website, go to local programs, and click on webcams by route. You can look all around the state with that. Be safe, everybody, and enjoy the rest of your weekend.